There are some places that simply preserve history, and there are others that make history come alive. In the historic city of Kurukshetra, known around the world as the land of Mahabharata, stands a beautiful monument that tells a different story. It is a story of Mughal architect and Sufi spirituality and Indian rich culture and heritage. Sheikh Chili Tomb is one of the most famous historical monuments of Haryana because of its beauty and elegant design. It often called as Taj Mahal of Haryana. At the first glance, the monument looked timeless. Its graceful white dome rises above the surrounding, creating a stunning view. The beautiful arch, symmetrical lines, and peaceful garden makes the place feel both royal and spiritual. Visitor immediately feels a sense of calm and admiration. The tomb was beautifully built in the memory of Sheikh Chili, a respected Sufi son and scholar who lived during in 17th century. Although many people know Sheikh Chili through their humorous folk tales, the real Sheikh Chili was highly respected spiritual leader. Historians believe his actual name was Sheikh Abdul Karim and belonged to a Qadariya order of Sufism. Sheikh Chili believed to have been a spiritual guide of Dara Sukho, the elder son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Dara Sukho was different from many princes of his time. He was deeply interested in spirituality, philosophy, and search of truth. He studied Islamic teaching, learned Hindu scholars, and even translated Indian important texts into Persian. The relationship between Sheikh Chili and Dara Sukho represent an important chapter in Indian history. It shows how knowledge, faith, and dialogue once connected people from different culture and religion. After Sheikh Chili's death, the Magnification Tomb complex was built in his honor. The monument belongs to a golden age of Mughal architect. During the 17th century, Mughal architect reached its peak. This was a time when Shah Jahan built some Indian most famous monuments include Taj Mahal, Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Sheikh Chili Tomb beautifully reflects Mughal architectural style. It stands on the raised of the platform and the top with a magnificent white dome. The building follows an octagonal design which commonly used in Mughal tombs. It is perfectly symmetry balanced portion make it visual impressive. The use of red stone and white marble creates a beautiful contrast and the combination become one defining features of Mughal architect. The elegant arc, decorative pattern and fine craftsmanship so why the monument is often compared of the Taj Mahal. Its beauty lies not in the size but in the refinement of its design. The tomb is surrounded by the Chakbagh garden style. The word Chakbagh means four garden. This garden style oriented in Persian and become a key feature of Mughal landscape. The garden is divided into four sections by the pathways and the water channel, symbolizing the Islamic idea of paradise. For Mughals, gardens were more decorative spaces. They represent harmony, order, and beauty of nature. Even today, visitors came and enjoy peacefully atmosphere while walking through gardens of Sheikh Chili tomb. The tomb complex includes more than the main mausoleum. There is smaller tomb that believed of belong to Sheikh Chili wife. Near stands of Patthar Masjid or a stone mosque built in red stone. They most display a remarkable skill of Mughal craftsmanship through arcs and decorative details. These complexes also contain gateways, courtyard, pavilion, garden. Every structure is carefully arranged according to the Mughal principle to balance symmetry, creating a unified architectural masterpiece. One of the most fascinating aspects of Sheikh Chili tomb is connection of Asian history. The monument stand of Harsh Khana Tilla, one of the most important archaeological sites of northern India. Excavations at the Harsh Khana Tilla have revealed evidence of human settlement dating back nearly 2000 years. Archaeologists have discovered remains from the several major periods of Indian history, including Kushana Empire, the Gupta Empire, the Rajput period, the Delhi Sultan period, and the Mughal Empire. These discoveries show the Kurukshetra has been important center of civilization, culture, trade, and learning of century. Long before the Mughal period, this region was already flourishing the major historical center. The Near Historical Museum preserves many discoveries. Visitors can explore the pottery, terracotta figure, coins, sculpture, ornaments, and these artifacts provide a glimpse into a daily life of people who lived across different periods of history. Today, the museum and the tomb complex offer visitors a unique opportunity to travel through centuries of Indian history in a single location. But Sheikh Chili tomb truly special in an ability to connect different layers of Indian heritage. It represents the spiritual tradition of Sufism, showcases the architect brilliance of Mughal architects, and stands along with the evidence of Asian civilization and shaped the northern India. Despite of the beauty and historical importance, the monument remains one of the Indian lesser known treasure. Unlike the crowded destination of Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur, Sheikh Chilli Tomb offers a peaceful, intimate experience. People often arrive expecting to see a beautiful monument but leave with a deeper appreciation of Indian culture, diversity, and historical legacy. Today, the monument is protected as an important rich heritage of India. Students, historians, tourists, and pilgrims continue to visit, each discovery their own connection of history and beauty. The sunset behind the white dome and the shadows stretch across the gardens, and the monument stand as a reminder of centuries. Emperors have risen and fallen, rulers have came gone of Sheikh Chilli tomb, reminding us standing and dignity of grace. It is important than the tomb. It is a more architectural masterpiece. It is a symbol of Indian rich heritage and layered history, where spirituality meet art and where archaeological meet architecture, and where past continent and inspired the present. The scared city of Kurukshetra and the Sheikh Chilli tomb remains a timeless monument of beauty, knowledge, heritage, and truly deserving the title of Taj Mahal of Haryana.